Hi everyone, this is my son and welcome to my son and Hassan Academy. So, in late night, suddenly I realized I should discuss one particular concept with you, and that is very important for the aspirant, the main or the advanced, or even NEET student. Okay, see what is the concept. First of all, you should understand one thing, that Aldol and Cannizzaro. If we discuss what we know in basic sense, that aldehyde or ketone having alpha hydrogen. Okay, first of all, this is important. Aldehyde or ketone which having alpha hydrogen, they have to react with dilute NaOH, then we are getting aldol product. Okay, if we want condensation product, at last we need to give heat, then we will get the condensation product, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. Okay, but in case of Cannizzaro, what do you know? Aldehyde without having alpha hydrogen, without having alpha hydrogen, react with concentrated NaOH or 50% KOH, then they are giving the Cannizzaro product. Okay, that already we know that one of the product will be oxidized, another will be reduced, or if you are doing simple Cannizzaro, then same compound, this proportionation, that is called, same compound is going to be oxidized, same compound is going to be reduced. Okay, now if I give you one particular aldehyde, okay, you have to tell whether that aldehyde is going to, this is the aldehyde, what is this molecule name? This is called chlorel. Okay, 2 trichloro, you can say acetaldehyde, or if you go for IUPAC name, better say ethanol. Okay, 2 trichloroacetaldehyde or 2 trichloroethanol. Okay, if you see this molecule, you can see there is no alpha hydrogen. Okay, there is no alpha hydrogen. So as per whatever basic things we have learned, that any aldehyde without having alpha hydrogen, they can show the Cannizzaro. So this is supposed to give the Cannizzaro, but my question is whether it is going to give the Cannizzaro. When I am saying Cannizzaro, I mean simple Cannizzaro. Okay, until and unless I am not mentioned that cross Cannizzaro, you have to understand about simple normal Cannizzaro reaction only. So see here, how Cannizzaro reaction take place? Obviously 2 mole of this I have to take, then it will react with concentrated NaOH or 50% KOH, like that, and this one is going to attack our carbonyl group. Yes, deficient one. Suppose we are going for cross Cannizzaro, at that time we need to find out which aldehyde carbonyl group is more deficient, there it will attack. Okay, suppose we are doing the simple Cannizzaro, then definitely OH minus will be going to attack here, and what we will get? Cl. This will be O minus, and here will be OH. Okay, so now what is the main RDS step for Cannizzaro? What is the main step? Main step is, once this attack is done, now this negative charge will come back, and from here H minus, this hydride will transfer. This hydride is transferring and going to attack the another molecule. But here one thing you should know, that this hydride is not a very good living group, but instead of hydride, this whole group is going to leave. Okay, as per rule, what's supposed to happen? Hydride should leave and it should go to attack the another molecule of chloride, but that is not going to take place. Here CCl3 whole, this portion is going to leave. Many book they are writing that cleavage is happen. It is nothing but living group is very good living group, so it is going to leave. So what you will get? CCl3 minus plus H C double one O OH, formic acid. Okay, so after that, here acidic proton is there, so it will CHCl3 plus H C double one O, and it will become salt. Suppose you have taken NaOH, then Na will come, K means K plus will come. So instead of giving Cannizzaro reaction, it is going to give you chloroform. What is going to give? Chloroform. So be careful. So this is a very important compound, that whether chlorel is going to give Cannizzaro or not. Yes, simple Cannizzaro it is not giving. Instead of Cannizzaro, if you do the reaction, you will get chloroform. Okay, but if you take in chlorel and another aldehyde without having alpha hydrogen, then it may give at that time. Okay, so it is all depend that OH group, whether it is going to attack this this molecule first or that other molecule. If other molecule is more deficient than this one, then this OH group will attack there, and from there one hydride will transfer and it will come here, and it can be OH later on. So it can be alcohol and another one will be salt or acid. Okay, so based on that, what is the question they have given, or what is the two reactant given, one chlorine, another which one is given, based on that you have to decide. Okay, that whatever another compound they have, reactant they have given, that should be more deficient carbon than this one, so that our OH can go and attack that one, and from there hydride can transfer here. Hope you got what I mean. Okay, so this you can take screenshot. And now one other molecule I am going to ask, that whether that molecule, what you have learned about Aldol, that any ketone or aldehyde having alpha hydrogen can give Aldol. Yes, now I am writing particular one molecule that is called cyclopropanone. Cyclopropanone. Now this molecule I am going to react to dilute NaOH. Now you tell me whether it is going to give Aldol product or not, because alpha hydrogen is present, 2 alpha hydrogen is there, this side 2, this side 2. Now you have to learn one thing. It is not offline class. I have a habit of asking, but I forgot sometime that I am teaching in front of camera. Now see here, this OH will attack this one and it will go like this. What you will get? OH and O minus. Okay. Instead of taking one proton from alpha proton from here, it will directly go and act as a nucleophile and directly going to attack to carbonyl group. Initially, Aldol, what happened? First mole of OH minus will attack as a base and it will take the acidic proton. But here, this carbonyl group is so deficient, and it, due to ring strain, they are going to directly attack this carbonyl group, and it will be like that. Okay. Once it is like that, this negative charge will come back, and this ring is, see, the 3-membered ring, internal angle is only 60 degrees. That has lot of ring strain, because you know it is sp2 means what, 120 degrees supposed to be, but internal angle only 60 degrees. So this ring will break down and you will get 1, 2 negative charge here. This is this carbon, and here you will get like this OH. Yes, this one you will get later on. 1H plus they will give, and you will get this is as your product. Okay, so what you understand, that if you get cyclopropanone, then this is also not going to show the Aldol. Instead of Aldol, they will end up by giving this product. Okay, here ORCAP is required, acidic ORCAP. Otherwise, whatever, if you don't want to do the ORCAP, then whatever you have taken here, like NaOH or KOH, that salt will produce. Okay, I have done ORCAP, so I am writing the acid as a product. Hope you understand. So this type of tricky question they may ask in your JEE Advanced. Okay, JEE Advanced. So you have to be careful before just giving any answer. Whatever general statement you are learning, sometimes they may not work. Okay, these are not exceptional. These are some specific molecules which are showing in their Weyl reaction. Okay, since they have ring strain, so they are supposed to get, they are waiting for the opportunity to relieve this ring strain. Okay, now we have made some rule that alpha proton having means it will give Aldol. Why they will give Aldol? They want to get relief. Okay, so they are technically, they are not exceptional. We made the mistake by making some general rule. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you for watching. You can take the screenshot and do share with your friend.